Understanding was way off in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, was way off. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. Let's dive in. Was way off is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that something was completely incorrect or far from accurate. It's often used to describe a guess, an estimate, or an assumption that turned out to be very wrong. This phrase emphasizes the extent of the inaccuracy. To better understand was way off, let's look at some examples. 1. Predictions and estimates. I thought it would rain today, but I was way off. It's sunny. 2. Assumptions about people. I assumed she was angry, but I was way off. She was just concentrating. 3. Inaccurate information. His directions to the restaurant were way off. We ended up on the other side of the city. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations, to admit a mistake or acknowledge an error in judgment. Sports commentary, describing a player's inaccurate shot or prediction about a game. Business meetings, discussing forecasts or projections that didn't align with actual results. Similar expressions include off the mark, also means incorrect, but less emphatic than way off. Missed the boat implies missing an opportunity or misunderstanding a situation. Out in left field suggests an idea or thought that is bizarre or unrelated. Understanding phrases like was way off can really enrich your English communication skills. Remember, idioms often carry meanings that go beyond their literal words. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. See you next time.